So inside of the expert mode, what you can also do is you can go around and create out bars and tones so that you can use it in your project. And this is what can be used to calibrate out television screens as well. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the project assets panel right here. And once I do that, I'm going to go around and click on the panel option right here. So once I go around over here, you can see that I can go around onto the new item section, and then I can select bars and tones. So once you do that, a bar and tone is added in, as you can see right here. You can work around, pull it out in the timeline to change around the length as you like right here. And if I were to go around and press the play button, this is what you see and hear. You got this bar and tone right here, and then you got the audio tone over here as well. And this is here in the expert mode. If I were to go around onto the quick view mode as well, then this is what you have. As you can see, you got the bar and tone and the option over here, just like this. And this is how you can go around. Let me just continue to the expert mode right here. And this is how you can go around and then create out the bars and tones as you like inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.